And 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Yes. Another banger. Now, another video, another sneaker pickup. Today's sneaker pickup, bro, is going to be another nice one. This one was kind of an impulse buy, I'm not going to lie. I just have to keep that 1,000 with you. But I just know for a fact that if I would have not copped this shoe after I saw that that was the last one, I would have regretted it for the rest of my whole entire life, bro. I would have been like 45 years old in my mansion, like, god dang, I know I could buy like 3 million of these right now, but I wish back in 2020, I wish back in 2020 I copped them things. So, you know, I had to do what I had to do. But without further ado, before we get into this video, the socials, the Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at I'm Chris Briggs and at I'm Chris Briggs 2. I know I tell you guys to check out that second Instagram a lot, but check out the main Instagram also, I'm Chris Briggs, and also check out the Twitter, bro. I be on Twitter out there, you know what I'm saying, saying my little things, you know what I'm saying. I like to talk to people on Twitter too, so if you guys want to talk to me, reach out to me on Twitter, bro. Follow me on Twitter. I'll probably follow you back. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the sneaker pickup. Yep. Yeah, you see it. It's another Champs bag, bro. It's another Champs bag. It's another Champs bag. Yes, like in prior videos, if I take this bag out, you will pretty much know what the shoe is. So without further ado, we're gonna do a nice little countdown, okay? All right, you ready? Are you sure? You sure you're ready? You positive? And 3, 2, 1. Yup, I did it. I goddamn did it. I did it. I sure did. I did it. Tell my mama I did it too. Tell anybody I did it. I did it. You see what this is? This is an Air Jordan. I'm not even going to say it, because if you know, you know. But I did it. I had to cop them. Why did I have to cop them? Because I found them for $100. Yup. Yes. The retail on these hoes was $225. $225. Yes. $225 for sure. But did I find them for $100? I sure did. I had to do it. I had to do it. Listen, they were just calling my name. They were just looking at me like, Chris, buy me. Include me in the family. I want to go home. So, I had to help them out. I just had to, bro. So, when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, we have the Air Jordan 4 Neon. Yep. 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 We got these bad boys. We got them. We got them. We got them, bro. Look at these. Whew. They just don't get no better than that, bro. They just don't get no better than that right there. That's just insane. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at the suede on these bad boys. Good golly, my friends. Why must I do it like this? Why must I constantly do it like this? Yes, today's sneaker pickup is the Air Jordan 4 Neon. One of the most slept on Air Jordan 4 models. Scratch it. One of the most slept on Air Jordan models ever, bro. One of the most slept on Air Jordan models ever, bro. The whole shoe is in a suede, bro. It's a suede midsole, but like it's a mock-up of the Air Max 95 Neon, and how the Air Max 95 Neons around like the ribs, how it has the different layers of colorings of suede, of gray going down. These right here, they have the same thing going down. There is suede on the midsole right here. Right there. You see it? You see that there? Hey, baby boy. Baby boy, yeah, focus. You see that right there? That is all suede, except for this right here. That is just fire. You just can't go wrong with it. So I had to pick these up. I have not tried these on yet. Haven't put these on my feet yet. But one thing that I will say is that these are just gorgeous. Magnificent. Looking at that tongue right there. Look at the tongue. Look at the tongue. That thing right there is just immaculate. So when it comes to the sneaker picker for today, I had to give it to the Air Jordan 4 Neon. Definitely a dope sneaker. So happy to have it in the collection. When it comes to the Air Jordan 4 Neon, how you guys feel about it? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. I do have a review and on foot coming soon. You know, I'm probably gonna have to go crazy for that one. That suede is just looking magnifico. 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 But without further ado, thank you guys for watching. As always, I love y'all, my clan. Listen, I'm still waiting on a new name. The Nashi clan was fire, but we have to find a new dope squad / clan name. Let me know in the comment section down below. I was thinking like the Briggs Brigade, the Briggs Squad, but I don't know. The Nashi clan just hits hard. It just hits hard. It just hits you hard. But let me know in the comment section down below. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching as always. And all I gotta say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs, signing out.